Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to start one new topic and the topic name is report writing. So what is the meaning of report writing? At first we will understand here. A report writing is nothing but it is a systematic and well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place. So, report writing is nothing but well presentation of any event. Alright, the event may be accidental and the event may be what school based on any function or any event. Alright, the motto, the aim behind writing this report is to bring awareness in the society. Alright, now we will talk about the next topic, that is article writing. What is article writing? It is a piece of writing that is published in either newspaper or magazine, and it may be related to some current issues. Alright, so these are the different kinds of writing. The article writing is among them one. Alright, so the main purpose of this article writing is it is basically written to publish in newspaper and magazine. Alright, suppose that some current issue is going on. So for that you can write the article. Your concept will be more clear when I will give you example or the model question paper based on article. Alright, at first we will understand the different kinds of writing. The next one is what? Note making and summarizing. So what is the meaning of note making? Note making means only to capture the key ideas, or the key ideas means what? Important ideas or the important point of a given passage. Alright, so what kind of question will be asked in this note making and summarizing? Your concept will be more clear when I will give you model question paper and its solution. So let's move ahead to see these different kinds of writing. For your better understanding, I have given you one attached page in which report writing is described in Hindi also. So you can read it slowly and you can understand the concept. Your concept will be more clear after reading these lines given about the report writing. Let me give you one example or the model question based on this. So you can see here one example of report writing. As a student reporter of your school magazine, write a report on Workers' Day celebration in the school. So it is what? A kind of what celebration which held in your school, and what is that occasion? That is the Workers' Day celebration. So it is my request to you to please read this report writing and try to understand what is the main theme of this report writing. All right. I will send you one more report writing, or you can see here the another report writing, that is book week organized. All right, so second report writing is not very much clear, so do one thing, you have to prepare first and second. Okay, so at first you prepare this one, like as a student reporter of your school magazine. All right, at first prepare this one, and because the picture is not very much clear of this second report writing, so I will send it once again. All right, this I will send it once again because it is very much blur. Now I am going to give you some practice question based on what? Article writing. I gave you examples of report writing. Now come to the article writing. What kind of question will be asked? For example, we cannot imagine life without mobile phones, TV sets and other modern gadgets. Write an article on role of modern gadgets. Alright, you are Rashi or Rishi. That means you have to suppose that you are Rishi and you have to write an article. So kindly prepare this article, first article, and another one I have taken also, reducing pollution need of the hour. Alright, so please see these two important article given in this practice question. Alright, first and second, both you have to prepare. One more article you can prepare here, the article number 3. So you can just pause this video and you can write it down in your fair. You can write this also practice question, write an article for a newspaper on the topic the problem of unemployment in India. You are Namita. Alright, so kindly prepare all 3 articles that is given to you. Alright, now come to the note making and summary. So what is the meaning of note making? That I already made you understand. It is a kind of what? Writing skill, so that you could only note down the important points. So you can take benefit of this Hindi explanation of note making and summary. So it is my request to you, please read once this information which is given in Hindi as well as I gave you already in English. Alright, now I am going to tell you what kind of question is asked in note making and summary. Alright, so one example I have given you. In the form of passage, you will be given one question. Suppose that this is the passage. Alright, so this is the passage and you will be asked question based on this passage. What is the passage? The passage, you can read a few lines from here. The work of the heart can never be interrupted. The reason is that the heart's job is to keep oxygen-rich blood flowing through the body. Alright. Now, at the end of this passage, you will get question like this. On the basis of your reading of the above passage, note on it using heading and subheading. Recognizable abbreviation. Abbreviation means what? Short form. Wherever necessary, supply an appropriate title to it. So here you can understand, you have to make a note by making it what? By giving heading and its subheading. So solution is already given over here. You can take help of this practice question paper, like this is what the heading. Function of heart. No, so sorry. What is the heading over here? How the heart works. Alright, so this is the heading part. So you can keep it what? As a title of this passage. And after that, you can see here how they have given answer. Alright. So this is all about the note making, how you can make the important point, how you can write down the important points. You know, it is very simple to understand, beta. Whenever you read any chapter in any subject, what do you do? When you have to do the written work, you write only the important points related to that chapter. Alright, so the same thing you have to do in this English passage. Alright, now come to the another part. And based on this passage, you will be asked another question to make or to write a summary of the above passage. That means You have to make a summary, you have to write a summary that will describe the entire passage in short. That means the passage is given to you, alright? So you have to make a short note at first and then you have to write the summary, alright, based on that a web passage. So you can understand it with the help of this example, alright? So please read this once and note it down in your fair copy also to make your concept more clear. Now there is one important section, that is practice passage for translation. So translation plays very important role in scoring good marks. Alright. So kindly prepare or kindly see this following practice passages. Alright. Because this passage will help you to understand the question pattern. Alright. So always translation is asked in the passage form. You can see here. So I have given you so many examples, like first here, first, second, third and fourth. These are the solved exercise, but it will help you very much. So here fourth, fifth, here that is fifth, and here another one is 6 number translation, 6 passes, 7 passes, 8 passes. At least see up to 8th passes. Alright, for the translation purpose. Alright. So this was all about the small introduction about the writing skills and all. So if you face any problem, please ask me and try to understand the writing section. I will send you very soon model paper, alright, so that you could understand what is the question pattern. Alright, thank you very much.